Hi, my name is Anna, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up your imap email account on the macOS native email client mail.app. This feature is useful if you have multiple email accounts that you check regularly and you don't want to sign in every time on each page. With mail.app, you'll get all the emails on the desktop with full functionality, and they will also be synchronized on the web. In this tutorial, we're going to quickly set up our Gmail and our iSchool accounts. Let's start with Gmail. The first thing we want to do is set up imap in Gmail if it isn't already set up. We'll log into Gmail, open our browser, log in, and after we're in, we're going to click on the top right corner on Mail Settings. After, we're going to click on Forwarding and pop imap. In this page, we want to make sure that imap is enabled. If you have the settings just like this, don't do anything, just cancel and sign out. If not, just click Enable imap. In this case, we need to get out and close the window. Now let's set up our email account on mail.app. Let's click Mail, open it, and in this tutorial we assume that you haven't set up another email address on mail.app before. But if you have, don't worry, we're going to show you how to change the configuration under Mail Preferences. This first time user window is going to ask us to configure our email. So we're going to put in our name, the full name that we want to see that we want others to see, and our email address. And let's put in our password and click create. Now you can tell that it's automatically setting up our email, but just in case, we want to make sure that all the preferences are set correctly. So we're going to hit Mail and Preferences and then Accounts. We see our Gmail address here and all the configuration. Now all this looks right, except we have to click Use Only This Server and then go to Advanced and make sure that authentication is set to password. If we have it all like that, then we're done with Gmail. Let's close this window so we can save all the changes we've made. And now let's open it again so we can set up our iSchool account. Let's click on Mail, Preferences, and then Accounts again. In this window, we're going to click on the plus sign to create a new account, and we're going to see the same window that we saw before. We're going to put again our full name and then our iSchool email address. And let's put in our password and click Continue. In this case, we have to set up all the configuration manually. We're going to make the account type imap. Our description could be something like iSchool. Our incoming mail server is going to be mail.ischool.utexas.edu. Username and password are already there, so we click Continue. And now the outgoing mail server, we're going to name it Outgoing iSchool. The mail server is going to be the same, mail.ischool.utexas.edu, and you can tell that it is already being populated. So we're going to leave it like that. We're going to click Use Only This Server and use Authentication. When we hit Continue, it quickly validates all the information. It is using encryption, so we're sending safe email, and we're going to hit Create. Now in the background, you see all our email is being downloaded. We can close this window and then check that all our email is there. Now one thing that you should consider is that when you're setting up an email client, all the emails on your account are being downloaded to your desktop. So if you have a big size of email account, then you can expect that same size to be used by your hard drive. So think about that before you decide to set up your desktop client. Well, that is it. Thank you very much.